Okay. Okay. I'll help.
There is shadow too. You must learn to play with your shadows. And if you do,